On June 30th, 1908, something exploded over the forests of Siberia. It flattened 80 million trees across an area of 800 square miles and left glowing clouds in the sky above that were observed for days afterwards. Witnesses were few in this very sparsely populated area, but those that saw the explosion reported a fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a flash brighter than the sun and a sound like thunder. Only 3 people died, but many herds of reindeer were killed. And dozens of miles away, the shockwave broke windows and knocked people off their feet and was detectable around the world. Because of its remoteness and complicating factors like World War I, the first scientific expedition didn't reach the site until almost 20 years later, but the devastation from the mysterious event was still very evident. The affected area was butterfly-shaped, with flattened trees fanning out in all directions, except for at the epicenter where trees still stood, but were stripped of their bark and burned. The explosion became known as the Tunguska Event, and the scientific consensus today is that it was caused by an asteroid that burst apart in Earth's atmosphere around 3 to 6 miles above its surface. The asteroid is thought to have been about 130 feet across, and it exploded with a force almost 200 times greater than the atomic bomb at Hiroshima. Finally, perhaps the most terrifying part of this event is how much worse it could have been. If the airburst happened just a few hours later, we might be talking about the day an entire city was instantly wiped off the map.